Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a silent message on Discord. Click into the message input field at the bottom of your channel to start composing. Type @silent followed by a space, then type your message. I'm typing check this later. @silent prefix stops Slack from sending push or desktop notifications for this message. Press enter to send, and your message appears in the chat with a sleep icon next to your name, indicating @silent. The @silent prefix works in both server channels and direct messages, so you can use it anywhere on Discord. If you forget the space after @silent, Discord won't recognize it as a silent message, and it'll send as a normal ping. You can hover over the sleep icon on any sent message to confirm it was sent silently. The tooltip will say, "This is a @silent message." Silent messages are perfect for sending updates or reminders that people can check when they're ready without getting interrupted. And that's how to send a silent message on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.